going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, we have Bitcoin and crypto slightly moving back. The same thing with the Nasdaq. Why? Because, guys, we see the yields are rising. I told you I definitely see us pulling back slightly. And then we know CME is going to launch Euro, Bitcoin, and Ethereum futures on the 29th. So open interest, I definitely see a big pump at the beginning of September. And then, guys, we take that big dump at the end. Because we know the Fed is not only raising rates, but they're going to put their foot on the gas as far as rolling off this balance sheet. But then also, guys, we know we're rolling into midterms. We know this is Shemitah year. We know there's going to be a big distraction. And then plus, going forward, they'll be able to ride the Hegelian dialectic because we know that the Republicans are going to take back over the Senate. Remember, guys, this is a plan, so they move in phases. Now, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which are slowly rising. Also, we have volume. We know we need volume in order to move either way. And then, of course, Tether USDC. We know that's how the Fed manipulates cryptos. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. Repo is still over $2 trillion, which is amazing. Remember, guys, we can see the manipulation. And if you can see the manipulation, you can take advantage of it. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Now we have the Fed to issue long-awaited guidelines for granting master accounts to crypto banks. And I don't see these guidelines turned into anything because we're going to see the same banks in control. Remember, these are the same banks that funded crypto from the beginning anyway. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. Moved down a few $100 million. But getting over into a little crypto news. We have Brazilian brokerage Giant XRP Inc. launches Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. And we see the inflation in South America. And what's going to be ran in as a solution? That's right, blockchain, crypto, programmable money. Now we have blockchain scalability firm Starkware launches recursion to improve speed and transaction costs. Now we have DeFi protocol Compound says multi-chain common upgrade is ready to go. Also, we have the Canadian Regulatory Council creates a new pre-registration filing for crypto platforms. And we know crypto.com, CoinSquare is already approved. But guys, it doesn't matter what country you go to, everybody is planning out for this new digital economy. It is no longer behind the curtain. They're building the fourth industrial revolution right in front of the masses' eyes. Now we have Hobie to end crypto derivative trading in New Zealand. Also, we have Yearn Finance Iron Bank join Layer 2 protocol optimism. Now we have Jump Crypto announces plans to build a new validator client for Solana. And we know Solana validators, including Coinbase Cloud and Jump Crypto, also offer staking services. So these big corporations, big schools also that are becoming node operators are going to be making good money. And then lastly, guys, we have Australian Securities Exchange take steps towards tokenizing asset trading, bonds, equities, funds, carbon credits. Guys, we know it's coming. Everything's going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. And like I stated, they're building right in front of your eyes now. It's no longer behind the curtain. The fourth industrial revolution is right around the corner, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. So not forget, book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks. Let's see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team Save the Village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Team Save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Team goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.